Ha Giang Loop is one of the most difficult roads you will have in Vietnam.
There's something about this guy I just can't live alone. So tell me, babe, what's it gonna be? He said you don't know what you mean to me. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over.
Okay, hello everyone, my name is Thuy and today I will give for you 5 important skills to make me survival when I learn from Jasmine Tours in the Ha Giang Loop. Let's go! Ha Giang Loop is one of the most difficult roads you will have in Vietnam. So when you can finish the Ha Giang Loop, that means you can go everywhere in Vietnam. So let's try this one. I will show for you the first tip I was got from Jasmine Tours. Let's come here. The back brake.
When you're riding by the motorbike in the mountain, the first thing you should remember, you shouldn't start with number 1, you should start with number 3. The reason I be advised because when you go up the hill and sometimes I not remember I'm on the motorbike and then I will start with number 1 and then it's too strong so I cannot control the motorbike and then have the accident. So if you start the motorbike, let's start with number 3. It's safe for you guys. And when you come on the motorbike, always ride the motorbike on the right side. After check on that, let's try the motorbike right now. When you go up the hill, you should use the gear number 2. And go down the hill, you also should use number 2 because it can make your speed slower. When you use the brake too much, it can make your brake is so hard and then it's not working anymore. So you shouldn't use the brake all the time. You should change to number 2.
Okay, so my friend, when you guys ride the motorbike by yourself, you really need the international motorbike license. This is, you can see, this is the version of the international motorbike license, but you can see this one is a convention from 1949. It's not valid in Vietnam. You can use it in Thailand, but cannot use it in Vietnam. And actually, the convention you need, that's it from 1968. Yeah, so if you not have 1968, you should issue in, you can get the digital license online, or if you prepare your country, please use that 1968 because 49 is not working. The police, they still can charge your money. And a special thing, when you open this, When you open this, you can see this is not valid for the motorbike. A for the motorbike, B for the car. So in Vietnam, the police, they require for A. So if you not have A, you cannot ride the motorbike. if the police they stop you, they can charge you a lot of money, or you can take the motorbike away. So the thing you need, you can see on this one, A or A1 is working good. So let's prepare A or A1. So if you guys have lucky like me, you can have the sunshine weather to start to the Ha Giang Loop. But if not, let's prepare the jacket and trouser for your Ha Giang Loop, because the weather in the Ha Giang Loop it changes so fast. So if you not have it, you can be wet anywhere, anytime. So let's prepare it before you start to go. You know what it is? This is a shoe cover, and then you can cover for your shoe. So if you're afraid it can be dirty when you're riding the motorbike, let's prepare this. It's very good when you're using for Ha Giang Loop. Okay. Travel tip I got from Jasmine Tours to make me survive for the Ha Giang Loop. So if you like this video, let's tag to the like button, share for your friend, and subscribe for my channel to get more travel tips in the Ha Giang Loop. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave the comment here and I will answer you.